Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had a comment recently that really stuck with me. You'll see it pop up on the screen. Personally, I completely disagree with it. Sensible people shop in shops like this, why wouldn't you? Designer dupes save you money. People from all walks of life shop here, and I'm sure even millionaires walk around home bargains. Saving money just makes sense. So in today's video, I'm taking you with me to show you the 10 best designer dupes Home Bargains has to offer. Honestly, you won't believe the prices. Some look like they've come straight from high-end shops, but for a fraction of the cost. From stylish on-trend pieces to brilliant quality finds, you can get some gorgeous things here without spending a fortune. This is a mini vlog of what caught my eye and what came home with me. I'm a massive fan of mixing things up from different shops, so let's go shopping. Last minute some bits, they got some really nice bits. I really like these linen look shirts. We've got these cool bags. If you're going on holiday in August, September. Picked up some of these for my husband, and these bags are a dupe of the Marks and Spencer's one from last year, £12. I think they're really nice. They've got a nice lining, £12. Very nice. Got a great selection of candles in here, but this one in particular is new, and I'm going to pick one up for my mother who is desperate for a new one. So it's the humongous one. I can't even lift it up. I need two hands, but these are the massive ones. So we've got peony, lime and basil. Can't see how this says, but it's the huge 3-wick ones that they're not as big as the ones they were selling in Aldi for £19.99, but these are huge, so I'm going to get one. Here is the bowl. Took me ages to find it. £7.99, and I'll pop the designer one on the screen so you can see. Very nice. I won't be getting one because I don't think I've got anywhere to put it, or will I get one? Not sure. Very nice. £7.99. These are also really nice for £1.99. I've seen these a lot with a nice candle in it. They're nice, and I haven't seen this one before. £6.99, and actually the aloe vera looks quite realistic. Not bad for £6.99. Now I have a very similar vase that I bought in my sitting room. It is bigger than this, but this one I haven't seen before. Really lovely size for like a bedside table or in a kitchen. I'm quite tempted actually to get one of these. Comes with the shade, which is white, and they £19.99. That's really good. I'm gonna get one. I'm going to come back and do a whole video on all of the dupes because there is so much in this store. I need to do my research before I pick them up, but there is loads. They have a Bath and Body Works dupe. This leaves smells just like Bath and Body Works leaves. And considering if you want to buy leaves in Next in the UK, it's about 25 quid. This is £2.99. So I'm going to get one and I'll see how long it burns, but it smells just like it. They've also got pomegranate as well, but this one, gorgeous. Probably about 2 months ago, and I said if they still had them left, I'm going to get off my outdoor kitchen because they're £9.99. So that looked nice on the outdoor kitchen. Okay, I am back from a very successful trip, and I'm going to show you everything I picked up. First up, I picked up this pizza and chip crisper. So I do normally just put the pizza on the rack, but I thought this would be better. It says it makes it crispy. I think it was $2.99 or $2.49. So I thought I'd get that for when I put them in the oven. So this had loads of school stuff. Got this one for Lily. I think it was $2.99. This set with all the bits in. I got this lovely mug because I just thought it looks like Denby. It looked like a really nice mug. I got another bottle of this. I absolutely love this. I love the body spray as well, and they've got loads. This cleansing body wash, I like the pink one the best. It smells just like the branded one. Then I bought the bowl. Compared to the one, I've seen it all over social media, and they had a little pile of them, and I thought for $7.99, that's gorgeous. So I'm going to do a little bit of fiddling and put it on my coffee table. And put some, I don't know what I might put. I might just put a little candle in the middle or something. I don't know, but how nice is that for $7.99? I might put it on. It might be a little bit too wide to put on my shelves, but I picked that up. I then picked up 2 of these candle bases, and I've managed to. I don't know if you can see on the camera, they're a slightly different colour on the top, so just check that. But they were $1.99, and then these are £1.49 for these candles to put on the top. So I got those. They were quite nice. And then I got this stunning concrete lamp, which is very similar to the one I have from the range. But this was $19.99. They do one in IKEA. It's not as nice as this, which is $49.99. This is much better. It's a really nice textured, it's smooth, but it looks like concrete with a nice white shade. So that was a bargain. I also bought this large 3-wick lime and basil candle. It's $12.99. It's not as big as the one from Aldi, but that's 20 quid. So this is still huge, like the Jo Malone one. So that was a bargain. And then finally, I bought this for my outdoor kitchen because I'm still not sorted with the lighting. I thought this would be really good to put on outside. It would just be there. You need to get yourself 2 Home Bargains to pick up this one. Leaves is one I've liked for a long time. This smells exactly the same, and this was $3.99. So Bath and Body Works candles, you can pick them up, I think, for $12 if you're there at the right time in America, but obviously you've got to bring it back. I think they're like 25 quid in Next if you buy them here, but this smells honestly just like it. So I got one. So that is my haul. So let me know in the comments, have you got a fantastic large Home Bargains near you? West Drayton's not too far from me actually, because I'm quite close to sort of Gerrards Cross and Denham, so I think that's going to be my go-to now, because my local one is literally the size of a corner shop and has basically nothing. But they have so much good stuff. So I hope you found it helpful. Let me know in the comments if you spotted anything you like, or if you've got any of this stuff. I'd love to hear. So Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and hit like if you like designer dupes that are cheaper. And I shall see you on the next video.